Hey guys, welcome to episode 11 of Codeforces Every Day until GM. I guess today we're just gonna continue on with the roadmap. I think for now we are just gonna ignore the timing part of the roadmap, just because it's very inconsistent. Like if I take my time to log reading time and then log thinking time, log coding time, it's gonna add a ton of bloat time to it. And furthermore, like I could be jumping back and forth from these sections. Maybe I misread something. Maybe I start an implementation, realize it's wrong, and then go back to thinking, stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna ignore the timing for now and just do the problems. And if I to know what I need to review, I guess I'll just look at difficulty. If it's a question that I marked as being difficult, then maybe I'll just like look at that question in particular. So far, none of these questions have been very difficult. I don't think 800s are like worth reviewing at all. But when we do find one that is, I'll definitely mark it as a higher difficulty and we'll take a look at it. Um, okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. I've already marked out this one. It's this question here. So yeah, let me move this back over here. And let me put my glasses on. Serena and Dima play a game. The rules are very simple. Players have N cards in a row. Each card contains a number. All numbers on the cards are distinct. Players take the row or wait. Players take turns. Serena moves first. During his turn, a player can take one card, either the leftmost in a row or the rightmost one. The game ends when there are no more cards. Either the leftmost card in the wait. Oh, no more cards. Jesus. The player who has the maximum sum of the numbers cards wins. Okay. So basically they can take the leftmost card or the rightmost card. And then the sum of their cards at the end. Whoever has the greatest sum of the cards at the end wins. And then Serena and Dima are being greedy. Each of them chooses the highest number card. Ina is a friend. She knows which strategy, so she wants to determine the final score given the initial state. Help her. Okay. I'll put single line printed number of Serena, number of team. Okay, so pretty simple question. Pretty simple implementation question. We basically just check which number is greater, right? So let's take in some input. And then equals list map int input dot split. Okay, and for our well, we don't even need to hold that, or I guess we can hold in a right pointer. Right equals in -1 for L in range in we can track Sereha Dima. Who goes first? Sereha, okay. And then we can track one more. Okay, so we do if L is greater than if AL is greater than or equal to AR, to add add equals 0 if this add a L add a R and then R, what the R minus equals 1, and then if turn equals Sereha plus equals add else Dima plus equals add print Sereha Dima. Zero 24. Something's wrong. Okay, so Sereha takes 10. Oh, we've got to swap turns. Alright, and then I shouldn't use a bool here. Let's do 0 for Sereha. Or I shouldn't use a string. 0 for Sereha. And then 1 for Dima. And then turn equals turn. Oh, instead of false. So it's still 0, 24. It's the opposite now. It goes in. Sereha takes 10. Dima takes 4. Oh, I guess it's because of the left pointer. The left pointer is incrementing. So we do have to track both pointers. So L equals 0. And then, like, while left is less than right. Left plus equals 1. 16, 0. What is going on? Okay. Should be 10, 4, 2, 1. Okay, so it's not -1, it's just R. Out of range. So N is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is -1. Takes in 10, yes. Never swaps. False. And taken. It should be true. Mm, it was not turn. Maybe. There we go. 5. Something's still wrong. Okay, true 10, false 4, true 12, and then we end here for some reason. Greater than or less than or equal to. Okay. That should be right. Let's check with this one. 1612. Yep, got it. Programming. Where's Python? Codeforces. Okay. That's one down. One. Self, yes. This was in greedy implementation 2-pointer. Question. This is actually like fairly difficult. Not difficult, but like had a lot of places where errors could happen. R -1 or n -1. Minor error. Had an error here with the signs. And then an error here with the flipping. So I'd give this like a 1.2, maybe. Maybe even 1.3 because I messed up a lot on it actually. Oh, and I shouldn't have. It's definitely been the hardest problem so far in the roadmap. Stones on table, I've done this one. Yeah, so we'll just skip it. Police recruits. Give me a sec. Let me just log stones on table so I don't forget about it. Okay. Police recruits. (427A) police recruits. .py. Oh, I am getting a little bit tired of doing these 800 rated. There's quite a bit of them. Okay, police department of your city has just started its journey. Initially, they don't have any manpower, so they started hiring new recruits. Meanwhile, crimes keep occurring. One police force can only investigate one crime in his lifetime. That's crazy. There's no officer during the it'll go untreated, even given chronological order. In hiring, find the number of crimes that will go untreated. Input is in number of events equals int input. If the integer is -1, crime occurred, otherwise integer will be positive. The number of recruited at the time. No more than 10 officers will be recruited at a time. So, crimes untreated. So basically we have a stockpile 0 cops. So we have -2 crimes, and then we have a stockpile of 1 cop. So output 2. We have a stockpile of 1 cop, and then we have 1 crime, so 0 crimes, 1 cop, 0, 1 crime, and then 3 stockpile. Okay, so basically it's just a for loop. Cops equals 0, crimes equals 0, for, oh, I need to take in an array too. For I in A, if I is equal to 0, crops plus equals 1, or is equal to 1, crops plus equals to 1, else else it's a -1, so if cops equals to 0, crimes plus equals 1, else cops minus equals 1. Print crimes. 2, 1, 11. Oh, there's a 2 in here. What does 2 mean? Oh, we can recruit more than... Okay, so if I is greater than equal to... If I is greater than 0, cops plus equals I. Eight, 1, 2. Okay. Browse, police recruits, submit. Difficulty 1, self-implemented yes, just an implementation question. Okay, moving on. Black square. 800 rated. Jeez, these are all 800 rated. Can we get something else? 431A black. Here. You know, if tomorrow's video is just a ton more 800 rated, I might do a harder question just to spice it up a bit. Because I thought this was like a mix of maybe like 800, 900, 1000, but I guess this is really just training from the ground up. Like if people couldn't solve 800s at all, which is good, but it's just bad for the video, I guess. I might solve these like on my own if y'all think they're too easy. But whatever. For now, we're just gonna keep on working. Lectures are boring. Download game Black Square on his touchscreen phone. 4 strips. Each second a black square appears on some of the strips. According to the rules, jury must use a second to touch the corresponding strip. Make the score go away. As jury is both smart and lazy, he counted that he wastes exactly AI calories touching the ith strip. We got a string S describing the process of the game in numbers. A1, A2, A3, A4. Calculate how many calories jury needs to destroy all the squares. First line contains 4 separated integers. Second line contains string S, where the ith character of the string equals 1. If on the ith second of the game it's 2, If on the ith second of the game the square appears on the first strip, 2 if it appears on the second, 3 if it appears to 4, blah blah blah. Print out a single integer total calories wasted. Okay. Exactly, AI calories touching the eye strip. So on strip 3, he wastes 3 calories, right? First line contains 4 AI calories touching the eye. Wait. Oh, so he wastes 4 calories touching 4 and 1 calorie. So, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 4, 13. I get it. I get it. So 1, 2, plus 10, 12, plus 1, 13. Okay, not difficult at all. N is equal or given an array. Um, and then we're given a string. Since it's a string array, we'll just map this as string, and then we can do something like um, a to add equals a dot index. How does it stop char? Let's just double check how this works. Three, two, okay. Char plus 1. And then if, no, it's, wait, can't I just track calories equals 0, and then calories is this, and then just print? Am I forgetting something? 4, okay, I'm definitely missing something. Oh, because it grabs the first index, so that's not right. Calories. Wait, does it even matter? Because it goes 1, find the index is 1, so the index 0 plus 1 is 1, so calories plus equals 13, okay, 11, that's not right. Index. It's 1. Okay. So instead of being like this, it's A. We find the index of char. Oh, okay. So the second line is the indexes. And okay, so it's A plus equals char then. No? No. Must be integers, so int char. And then I need an int array as well. Out of range. How, bro? -1. Int char -1. Wait, it's char minus int char -1 because 4, then it needs to be 3. 13. 13, okay. Black square. Did it submit? Thank you. So we did this question today. Please recruits in black square. I give this like a 1.1 just because it's deals with some like indexing that I was struggling on, and some string to int. I always forget to typecast that stuff. It's still not a hard question, but okay, there we go. Let's see, I've been recording for 33 minutes, another shorter video, but I have class in an hour. I still want to record like a few shorts. Got to catch up on those, a few days behind. But without further ado, I guess, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Go check out my shorts. I've been doing a lot of them lately, and they're doing pretty well, so that's cool. They're definitely doing a lot better than my actual videos, getting a measly 4 or 5 views. But my shorts are getting like 10, 20. Some of them are getting 100 views, so I like that a lot. That makes me happy. Other than that, subscribe and like. I'll definitely have harder questions tomorrow because these are way too easy. But I'm learning a little bit from each one, right? Like typecasting, whatever, simple 2-pointer implementation, stuff like that. And I'll keep doing them, but probably the easier ones just on my own. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.